Here are 5 tips for you to have amazing hair. A number one mistake that most people make is using hot water when showering on your hair. Now what hot water really does is that it heats up your scalp to excessive amounts, and that causes your hair to become brittle and eventually lead to breakage. This is known to cause thinning in the future because you end up losing a lot more hair than necessary when showering. So it is extremely important for you to use cold water to cool your scalp down for at least 15 to 20 seconds before you exit the shower. Wash your hair properly. And by washing your hair properly, I mean using the right type of products to wash your hair. Many a times we are forced to use products that are not a right fit for us, but because those are the only products that are available. If you find out that a product causes a lot of hair loss or it's causing a lot of dryness to your scalp, make sure to replace that product with something that is a good fit for your hair, and your hair will thank you. Give your hair a breather and limit the use of excessive heat. By limiting the usage of excessive heat, I mean limiting the usage of blow dryers on a high heat settings, your curling irons, and your hair straightener. Yes, these products are important because they make our hair look absolutely amazing, they give us the volume, and they give us the look and feel that we are going for. But by limiting usage, you're preventing or protecting your scalp from excessive heating, dryness, and eventually thinning and losing a lot of hair. Also, when using these products, it is extremely important to use a heat protectant in the form of argan oil or a pre-styler before blow drying your hair on high heat setting or using any of the curling iron or product on your hair. Finding a good hairstylist and being consistent with them. This step involves a bit of work because you have to find a hairstylist and then be consistent with them to understand if they are giving you what you want in terms of the look and the cut that you're going for. If you don't like that, switch to another hairstylist and go to someone else and then find the one until you know that this is the person that is giving you the right type of a cut and feel and the look that you're going for. Thank you so much for watching this video right till the end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to write them down into the comment section below. If you haven't yet, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. And until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.